As you all know, we started the swimsuit challenge this month. So I scrolled through Pinterest so that I can get some ideas of the swimsuit I wanted to make and came across this. It's a high-end swimsuit that is very beautifully made, and I was like, need to give the designer credit, so I need to find them. Went through Pinterest, couldn't find them, so I went to Google, did an image search. It took a while, but I finally found out what the designer's name was. It's Lenny Nijmegan. So, the first thing that I usually do when I'm creating something new is I break down the different steps and the different pattern pieces as I see them initially, and then I try to figure it out that way. So, knowing what pattern pieces you're going to have and what they should look like is very helpful. Here you can see me lining the pieces up, making sure that they line up correctly. This is especially important when you're working with like slinkier fabrics or swimwear fabrics. I wanted to try the swimsuit on the dress form just to make sure that there was nothing with the fit that I needed to change. And as you can see, there is. Even though I didn't connect the crotch yet, I can see a lot of fit issues at the bust. I also tried it on, and for some reason, I guess I thought that I could wear a swimsuit like this without any support, and that is not the case. So I had to add in a shelf bra and make it tighter at the shoulders so that my bust would sit up and it would fit correctly. So this is just me seam ripping things out. I had to seam rip the shoulders to make adjustments. I created darts at the bust, so I just cut that excess fabric from the dart. And this is me still seam ripping. Right now I'm putting the trim on and then trying it back onto the dress form to see how it fits, and it fits really, really well. I'm really satisfied with how it fits, but right here at this point, I saw that I needed to make a change to how much I pulled on the band that was going around the swimsuit. For the elastic, I did not measure beforehand. I just kind of freehanded it and pulled it as much as I felt like it needed to be, which was more than 50%, to give me a tight, snug fit around the legs. And you can see now that this is the finished product. I am really happy with how it turned out. Let me know how your swimsuit project turned out, and I look forward to seeing it.